Who doesn't want financial freedom? The ability to live life on their own terms, free from money worries and stress. Right. There are countless methods and techniques for money manifestation, from visualization and affirmations to budgeting and investing. But what really works, and how can you harness the power of manifestation to attract wealth and abundance into your life? If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you are ready to break free from financial constraints and unlock a life of prosperity and security, then keep watching. Today, I will share with you proven strategies and simple yet powerful techniques to manifest money and transform your financial reality. So, get ready to shift your mindset, amplify your abundance, and welcome financial freedom into your life. I will tell you personal experience with money manifestation. It's truly astonishing. You won't believe that I manifested $1,000 through a simple visualization technique, and the next day I received an unexpected check from a client who had overdue payment, or that I used affirmations to manifest a salary increase, and within a week, my boss offered me a promotion with a significant raise. But what's even more incredible is that these experiences were not isolated incidents. By consistently applying these manifestation methods, I have transformed my financial reality. I have paid off debt, saved thousands, and now enjoy financial peace of mind. The power of manifestation is real, and I am excited to share these life changing techniques with you all so that you can also experience financial freedom like I have. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more debt, stress, and no more feeling trapped. With this simple yet effective technique, you will be able to attract abundance and prosperity, break free from financial limitations, create a life of financial independence. So, I'm excited to empower you with the same tools that transformed my life. I will share two easy methods to help you manifest money and transform your relationship with finances. So, get ready to take control of your finances and unlock a brighter future. So, here is how you can apply this method to your life. So let's get started with the method number 1, which is visualization and affirmations. So visualization is a powerful tool for reprogramming your subconscious mind. By combining visualization with affirmations, you can rewire your thoughts to attract abundance. So few steps you have to follow. Number one, find a quiet, comfortable space for meditation. Number two, close your eyes and visualize yourself in a state of financial abundance. For example, paying bills effortlessly or enjoying a dream vacation, whatever you can just. Okay, and number three, use vivid details to bring the visualization to life. Number four, repeat affirmations such as I am worthy of financial abundance, money flows easily and effortlessly into my life, I trust in my ability to create wealth, I am a magnet for abundance that comes easily to me effortlessly. I am worthy of abundance and open to receiving. Abundance is my birthright and I claim it now. I deserve financial prosperity. I am grateful for the wealth flowing into my life. Number 5, visualize and affirm for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Now, method number 2 is gratitude and intention journaling. So, focusing on gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance. By combining gratitude with intention, you will magnetize your desires. So, you have to follow step number 1, obtain a dedicated journal. Number 2, daily write 3 to 5 things you are grateful for related to finances or not. Reflect on the good things in your life and shift your focus from lack to abundance. Number 3, write a clear intention for manifesting money. For example, I intend to receive an additional $1,000 this month. Okay. Number 4, specify how you will utilize the manifested funds. Example, for example, paying off debt, saving, whatever your reasons. And number 5, end with a positive affirmation. For example, I trust in the universe abundance. I trust that the universe provides for all my needs. Divine abundance flows into my life effortlessly. I have faith in the universe infinite resources. The universe supports my financial well being. I am connected to the source of unlimited abundance. Okay, now let's talk about some additional tips to amplify your money manifestation journey. Number 1 is consistency is key. Practice these methods daily. Number 2, let go of resistance. Release negative thoughts and emotions surrounding money. Number 3, take inspired action. Make conscious financial decisions aligned with your desires. And number 4, cultivate patience. Manifestation is a process, so trust the universe timing. Okay, by incorporating these additional tips, you will accelerate your manifestation journey and attract abundance into your life. So, manifesting money requires a mindset shift, not a magic trick. By incorporating visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and intention journaling, you will align your energy with abundance. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. So, start manifesting money today. Share your experiences, tips, or questions in the comments below. Or do you have any favorite manifestation tips or techniques? Share them in the comments below. So, that's all for today. I hope you found these money manifestation techniques valuable and insightful. Share this video with someone who needs financial guidance, wants to break free from money stress, and deserves abundance and prosperity. So, my dear friends, your share can be a game changer for someone's life. So, share now and help spread the abundance. So, thank you for watching and supporting. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe for more content, and also join me in the next video for more life changing content.